Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Philippians 4:6. The ripple theory states that every action that you do affects another. Therefore, like the pebble dropped in water, the ripples stream outwards. So every action that you do faces a consequence. Every karmic action that you do represents a karmic outward relay in life. So try to have your best karmic representation in life to affect others in the best way possible. Be well, my friends. It's time for Christ to bring peace.